Hello, where are you? Hello, where are you?
Hello, I am at the bus stop. Hello, I am at the bus stop.
Is it raining there? Is it raining there?
Yes, it is raining a lot. Yes, it is raining a lot.
Do you have an umbrella? Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have my umbrella. Yes, I have my umbrella.
Can you see the bus? Can you see the bus?
No, I cannot see it.
It is getting late.
I am still waiting.
Please be careful. Please be careful.
I am a little cold. I am a little cold.
Wear your coat well. Wear your coat well.
I am wearing it now. I am wearing it now.
Is the bus late? Is the bus late?
Yes, the bus is late. Yes, the bus is late.
Are many people there? Are many people there?
Yes, many people are waiting. Yes, many people are waiting.
Check the bus app. Check the bus app.
I am checking it now. I am checking it now. The bus is delayed. The bus is delayed.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
I know. I am sorry. I know. I am sorry.
Dinner is on the table. Dinner is on the table.
I will come soon. I will come soon.
Do you see anything? Do you see anything?
I see some lights. I see some lights.
Is it your bus? Is it your bus?
I am not sure. I am not sure. No, it is just a car. No, it is just a car.
Please stay calm. Please stay calm.
I am trying to stay calm. I am trying to stay calm. My battery is low. My battery is low.
Save your battery. Save your battery.
Wait, I see the bus. Wait, I see the bus. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. I am getting on the bus. I am getting on the bus. I am sitting down now. I am Sitting down.
Good. Come home safely. Good. Come
Home.
safely.
Yes, I am coming home. Yes, I am coming home.
Great job. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.